Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Escape tire. First, secure the vehicle by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and placing wedges. Loosen the lug nuts slightly while the wheel is still on the ground so the wheel won't spin. Then position the jack at the manufacturer jack point, raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground, and fully remove the lug nuts. When the vehicle is safely raised, finish taking off the lug nuts and set them aside in a clean spot. Pull the flat tire straight off the hub with steady pressure to avoid damaging the wheel studs. Check the hub and brakes for debris or damage while the wheel is off, and make sure the spare tire is inflated to the correct pressure before installing it onto the studs. Place the spare onto the hub, aligning the holes with the studs, and push it on until it sits flush. Thread the lug nuts by hand to avoid cross-threading, then lower the vehicle just enough for the spare to touch the ground and seat properly. Use a star pattern to tighten the lug nuts progressively, and then fully lower the escape before performing a final torque with a wrench to the recommended.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.